radio screams, streetlights blur like broken dreams, cold air cutting through the sound, just ties in the empty town. Dashboard glowing in the dark, hands tied on a restless heart, miles rolling under the wheels, trying to outrun what I feel. Just me and the road again. Let the silence sink in. These long nights and a full tank drive, and just screaming just to feel alive. Red line running through my veins, trying to burn out the remains. Black sky, headlights cutting through. Every mile shaking something loose. If you ever felt what this is, you know. You don't just replace this. Rear view full of fading lights, ghost riding shotgun tonight. Wind rushing like a war inside, but the road don't ever pick a side. Some sparks only strike once, some fires only burn like us. You can search every road you choose, but lightning's hard to reproduce. Another gear, another mile, still chasing something wild. These long nights and a full tank drive,